Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to
I want
TV,
to say we are proud of them.
News.
Firstly, we are all here. You can see we woke up early trying to. Mrs. Shetima even got to my office. She was the first person to get here. They played very well. We are proud of them, and we gave England, the run for their money. So we did well. We were proud of them. So we'll be waiting to receive them. So that's all we can say for now.
You still be waiting to receive them like you promised?
Yes, we'll receive them. Why not? We have to. We'll receive them when they come. They made us proud. The match wasn't easy for England. So it was like a bonus, you say, because they really played very well and they played fine soccer. They did.
Thank you much.
So we're proud of them.
Thank you very much.